This question belongs to computer organization subject and was asked in GATE 1991, and the topic name is microprocessor, and basically 8085 microprocessor. So the question states, choose the correct alternatives, more than one may be correct, and write the corresponding letters only. The trap interrupts mechanism of the 8085 microprocessor executes the RST by hardware, executes an instruction supplied by the external device through the INTA signal, executes an instruction from the memory location 20H, executes a NOP, and none of the above. So what is basically this trap? So trap is basically an interrupt signal. Trap is basically an interrupt signal in 8085. So whenever a hardware device wants to perform some operation, it sends an interrupt to the CPU. So what are the various types of interrupts in 8085? In 8085 we have trap interrupt, RST 7.5, 6.5, 5.5. We have INTR and we have INTA. It's active low and rest are active high interrupts. So let us see all the options one by one. So option A states executes the RST by hardware. So why is this trap used? First, let me tell you this. So trap is basically used to cut the input voltage. We will have CPU and there will be some input voltage. So trap is used to cut the input voltage to reset the processor in the event of loss of power. Like when power goes, trap is used to basically cut this input voltage. Now let us see option A. Executes the RST by hardware. No, this is not an option as RST is basically different interrupt. RST is different, here you can see, and trap is different. Option B. Execute an instruction supplied by external device through the INTA signal. No, INTA signal is different and trap is different. Both are different things. So option B is also false. Option C. Executes a signal supplied by the external. Option C. Executes an instruction from memory location 20H. Okay, so all these interrupts have different memory location, but here RST4 has basically the memory location 0020H hexadecimal location, and not the trap. Trap has a different memory location. So option C is also false. Option D executes a NOP instruction. No, NOP instruction is not at all related with this trap interrupt. So answer is option E, none of the above.